Well, tonight, Local 2 Investigates is exposing a potential danger in neighborhoods across Houston. It's a danger the federal government is now blasting the city of Houston for not addressing.
What we're talking about here is the potential for explosions involving devices that crisscross the Houston area. Local 2 investigator Robert Arnold first uncovered this problem in November. He rejoins us now live with new information. Robert?
Well, Bill, let me quickly explain what we're talking about. This issue involves pressure vessels, essentially metal containers that hold gases or liquids under pressure. And these things are literally everywhere. We drive by them every day, from big refineries all the way down to neighborhoods. And last year, we showed you how the federal government had spent years trying to get the city of Houston to adopt tougher regulations so these pressure vessels don't explode. But today, we received a copy of this letter from the Chemical Safety Board, essentially saying the city is making a dangerous decision by refusing to act.
6 years ago, we all watched as an entire city block was consumed by fire at the Marcus oil plant in the middle of a neighborhood. Investigators from the Chemical Safety Board determined a poorly welded patch on a pressure vessel led to the explosion. And this wasn't the only accident involving these devices. Local 2 Investigates uncovered several accidents with pressure vessels. Some killed plant workers. These accidents are why the Chemical Safety Board has been urging the city of Houston to adopt a strict engineering code to make the use and operation of pressure vessels safer. But after years of trying, the CSB finally sent a letter to the city saying the matter was closed, unacceptable action, because of the city's continued unwillingness to implement recommendations, which the board feels is necessary to prevent future incidents.
It's unprecedented that a municipality that has an obligation to protect the safety of its citizens would ignore the recommendation.
Attorney Rob Ammons represents people who've been seriously hurt in pressure vessel accidents. We also spoke with CSB board member John Breslin. He told us this is not some rinky-dink code. This will make operations safer. This will make citizens safer. Breslin added he's even more baffled by the city's decision not to act, saying, "I am not aware of any research or study the city did before deciding not to act on the Chemical Safety Board's recommendation."
This is the first time in the history of the Chemical Safety Board it has had to take this step when dealing with the city. Now, Mayor Niece Parker, who inherited this issue, just sent us a statement less than 30 minutes ago saying the city did examine the issue and decided against it. But based on that letter from the CSB, the city now says it will take another look at whether it should follow this recommendation. We will keep you posted, and you can read that full statement on click2houston.com. Robert Arnold, KPRC Local 2.